And so you're just scoring the paint along the stops so you can take them out?
Yes. Yeah. And reuse them hopefully. They'll break them.
He's good too, that it doesn't work that better.
Yeah, much better. There we go. There we go. Alright, she did good.
I also have a stiffer, putty knife.
Now, you know what it is they also added this little sill here, and that's kind of working against me over there. I'll have this in a second.
Okay, no hurry. Yeah, yeah, it's moving now. And if you break it, I can make more.
As promised. See if I can put this over here.
And so that stop just kind of fits in that groove there. It's not screwed in this one at all, right?
No, and they shouldn't be.
Mm-hmm.
They need to expand and contrast with the window.
Mm-hmm.
And generally speaking, you want to use something, if you are replacing a stop, you don't want to use like a white pine. You want to use something that isn't going to be a wood a little stronger,
Mm-hmm.
harder, I should say.
And then you're just taking out one stop because you can kind of just
You can
slip
wiggle
it up.
a little bit, yeah,
Yeah.
take it out the other side.
So, I guess still you might begin if you don't mind.
Okay. I'm gonna carry this downstairs. This is out.
And so how is that top sash held in there currently?
This also has.
Oh,
another-
okay, it also has one of
Another
those
lever?
little levers.
Yeah. So on this particular stock, there's no paint
Mm-hmm.
where the bottom half was, but on the exterior, this has all been painted in.
Oh,
for
sure.
150 years.
Uh-huh.
Hey, John,
Hello.
could you put a hand on this too? Because this looks like.
I think it's gonna fall.
Yeah, I'm not sure how much just the paint is holding this at this point. Let's see what that did. And the bottoms. Yeah, that's loose.
Gotta get behind this.
Yeah. It's just. What is just
Yeah,
this
right
is
there,
just.
Maybe we could try it here, you can pop it, it's inside this notch.
No, I think it's you see that resistance from the paint here too.
Well, you're gonna have resistance from the paint all the way up, we're gonna have to clean it.
Oh, smokes. There we go. That should come out now.
That's it, right there.
Right there. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna just put this one behind there. Yeah. There we go.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. Alright. Drop it down now.
Maybe need a knife again.
There. Oh, you know what?
Oh, that was to hold it up, yeah.
Somebody's
Ingenious.
homemade Thank you.
Okay, I get that.
Alright. Do is you hand me the top plywood, put that in next.
Okay. No. Well, you have the bit for that. I have in the truck. I have bits for that too. Well, you got
Yeah.
bits for that.
And so you just cut these to fit in the channels where the sash sat?
Mm-hmm. So far, I'm lucky they're all the same. Taking the plywood from one to the other.
Yeah, that's kind of amazing that they'll fit from one to the next.
Well, you figure the house itself was all, well, the coachman here, was all built about the same time, 1850. And so they probably just milled them all up at the same time.
Right.
Alright. Ta-da!
Very nice. And so then those sashes will get packed up and sent to John's workshop, where I'll fix them all up.
Yeah, well, yeah, we're gonna fix them up just like the others. And
Yeah,
this is gonna be the third set.
great.
Yeah.
You have that, Rachel?
Yeah, I got the window.
Alright, thank you. I open against myself here.
Let me switch on the other side. Thank you.
This is the stock we took out early.
Yeah. You need a hammer?
I believe I have a hammer right here, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are meant since these windows don't have any sash weights. These are meant to kind of hold the sash in place, hopefully.
They don't even have any springs. This one did. This one over here had the latch,
Uh-huh.
and it works. I'll show it to you later. I thought it was quite nice. I have a piece of formica. You can do it with that, but I brought a piece of formica if I needed it to do that. Okay.
Oh, very nice.
I have more of these guys. I don't have more of that.
the window.
So that's the window that just went in. It's now all restored and installed. And it should last for another 100+ years.